I don't know how people are supposed to visit their friends here. Everything's locked. Hey guys, good afternoon. I've been so busy. I've been rushing around trying to get things done. I'm dark, sorry. I'm on my way to my friend Heather's baby shower. Devin unfortunately cannot make it due to only having one vehicle. So I might still go to the Vera Bradley show, or we might go to the zoo. I don't know. But right now I'm heading out to the baby shower. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Yeah, that's mommy's. Here's your candy. Oh my gosh. Alright, the baby shower is over and I am getting me and Chris some Starbucks because we need it. And it's going to be a relaxing day. So, and I think we're going to go to the zoo tomorrow. It's going to be fun. The kids don't know yet. There is always a line at Starbucks. Okay, thank you. Awesome, thank you. Yeah. Well, they made it perfect. I am outside of Haley's apartment and I'm waiting. I texted her telling her I was here. So I'm waiting to see if she actually comes and opens the door. I don't know how people are supposed to visit their friends here. Everything's locked. I'm a peeping Tom. I don't know. I'm here, Haley. I'm waiting for you. Instead, you could have just let me in downstairs, but you wanted me to do the buzzard.
Yeah, I wanted you to get used to the buzzard.
The buzzard. Hey, Zelda. I bet. This is looking nice in here. I'm just visiting with Haley and Matt. I brought you guys goodies. We're going to play some Wheel of Fortune because that's how they do it. They're so dark over there. It's because the light comes in over there. I had fun beating you guys at Wheel of Fortune. It was fun. I'm going to go.
You get 1,000 and something?
Well, now you need to practice while he's gone at work or something, and then you can kick his butt later. That's the way to do it. Alright, I'm gonna head out. Bye. Love you, bye. I'm back home, and we're gonna go on a walk. So I gotta get the stroller. The moon is right there. Yeah. such a pretty tree. And we're gonna go under it. It's so pretty. I don't know if you guys can see me, but that is such a pretty tree. We're walking and my side hurts because I'm out of shape. What?
What'd you do, wipe out?
I wish I was filming that. That's awesome.
My goodness.
Annabelle was coming down this way and he was in the way and she couldn't stop one time, so she went over here. Did you fall off your bike?
No, she stayed on, but...
Yeah, I thought she was wiping out. We saw her turn her, saw her lose control and lost her around the corner.
Yes.
That's pretty funny.
The secret path. This bridge up here is so beautiful. Nature walk. Man, someone really needs to clean their yard. What is that? That's a peace offering to the what? Okay, Corbin's gonna make a peace offering. And that was the peace offering.
So now what, the mosquitoes won't bite you?
Now it's time to go head back to the house so Daddy can go to the store and get stuff to grill. We are back, and I think we're just gonna do fun for self, and we've got so much planned for tomorrow, so yeah, I think that's what we're gonna do, is we're just gonna fun for self, and then tomorrow we'll grill out and have fun. I don't know what we're gonna do tonight. Maybe some games? I don't know. What happened? What happened? Is Sissy opening all her toys? Oh, there we go. I told Corbin he was gonna have Legos to put together.
Missing the main piece.
Are you kidding me? You jumped it out all right there. The babies didn't get a hold of it. We are all just hanging out, and I'm thinking about doing a little bit of work while we hang out. How are you doing, my love? Yeah, you know, give Annabelle a bath. Annabelle's got to take a bath. I'm gonna end today's vlog. It's been a really long day. We've got plans tomorrow. Come along, join us. It will be fun. Alright, here we go, for real now. If you guys liked the video, thumbs it up. Heads up, 7 up. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. Comment. I love reading comments. And yeah, follow me on all that good stuff. I'll see you later.